Hello students, welcome to the Pole Science of class 10, and today we will continue with the previous part of discussion that was about the list of recognized state parties. If you remember, we had first understood about the definition of state parties, according to which state parties are that party which secures at least 6% of the total votes in an election to the Legislative Assembly of a state and wins at least 2 seats is recognized as state party. This was the definition related to state parties. After that, we have gone through 16 recognized state parties, starting from Aam Aadmi Party to AIADMK, AIFB, then AIMIM, AINRC, AITC, then followed by AIUDF, AJSU, then AGP, BJD, then BPF, DMDK, DMK, and INLD. So today we will proceed discussing about the other major state parties that are there in India. So we start from number 17. So number 17 is Indian Union Muslim League, which is also known as IUML, having ladder as its symbol, and it was formed in the year 1948. At that time the leader was E. Ahmed, and this party is from the state of Kerala. Then followed by Jammu and Kashmir National Conference, which is also known as JKNC. It has plough as its symbol, which was formed way before independence, that was in the year 1932. At that time Umar Abdullah was the leader, and this party is formed from the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Then comes number 19, Jammu and Kashmir National Panthers Party, which is also known as JKNPP, having bicycle as its symbol, and it was formed in the year 1982, and Bhim Singh was the founder or the leader of this party, and this party is also formed from the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Then comes Jammu and Kashmir People's Democratic Party, which is known as JKPDP, which has inkpot and pen as its symbol, and it was formed in the year 1998, having Mufti Muhammad Saeed as the leader of this party, and it is too formed from the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Then comes number 21, Janata Dal Secular. That means Janata Dal has two parts. One is known as Janata Dal Secular and another one is known as Janata Dal United. So when we talk about JDS, it has a symbol of lady farmer, was formed in the year 1999, and H.D. Devegowda was the leader of this Janata Dal Secular, which came into power at that time. H.D. Devegowda also became the Prime Minister of India, but he was not from any of the major national parties. Clear? And this party was formed from the state of Karnataka and Kerala. Then comes number 22, Janata Dal United, which is also known as JDU, having arrow is its symbol, and it was formed in the year 1999, and Sarad Yadav was the leader, and Janata Dal United was from the state of Bihar. Then comes Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, JMM, having bow and arrow as its symbol, and it was formed in the year 1972, having Shibu Soren as the leader, and it is from the state of Jharkhand. As by the name itself you can understand that it is known as JM, that means Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. Then comes Jharkhand Vikas Morcha Prajatantrik, that means JVM, in bracket you have to write P, having comb as its symbol. It was formed in the year 2006, having Babulal as the leader, and it is too from the state of Jharkhand. Then comes Kerala Congress, that means in bracket you have to write M, Kerala Congress M, having two leaves as its symbol, and it was formed in the year 1979, having C.F. Thomas as the leader, and it was formed from the state of Kerala. After that comes one more popular state party, that is Lok Janshakti Party, which is also known as LJP. Having bungalow as the symbol, it was formed in the year 2000, and the leader was Ramvilas Paswan. Now, recently Ramvilas Paswan expired due to prolonged illness. Now his son is the leader, who is Chirag Paswan from the LJP, and these two party is from the state of Bihar. So overall you can see that we have overall of 49 state parties. So what I will do, I will read down the list according to serial number. We have discussed up to number 26. I will read it out up to number 49. What you will do, you will make a list starting from number 1 to 16. You have already made, I think. So you will make another list starting from 17 to 49. So from 27 onwards, I will just read out the name of state parties, and you need to make the complete list starting from the short form of that party, the symbol, the year in which it was formed, and the leader, and from the state where it was formed. So number 27 is Maharashtra Navnirman Sena. It is from the state of Maharashtra. Then comes Maharashtravadi Gomantak Party from the state of Goa. Then comes Manipur State Congress Party, which is from the state of Manipur. Then comes one more popular party, MNF, that is known as Mizo National Front, and it is from the state of Mizoram. Then comes Mizoram People's Conference. It is also from the state of Mizoram. Then comes Naga People's Front, which was formed in two states, that was Manipur and Nagaland. Then came National People's Party from the state of Meghalaya. Then Pattai Makkal Kutchi, this was from the state of Puducherry, PMK. Then comes People's Party of Arunachal from the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Number 36 is Rashtriya Janata Dal from the state of Bihar and Jharkhand. And this party is very popular due to the leader, who is Lalu Prasad Yadav, and that too from the state of Bihar. Then came Rashtriya Lok Dal from the state of Uttar Pradesh. Then came one more party, Rashtriya Lok Samta Party from the state of Bihar. Then number 39 is Revolutionary Socialist Party from the state of Kerala and West Bengal together. Then Samajwadi Party from Uttar Pradesh, Shiromani Akali Dal from Punjab, very popular party, Shiv Sena from Maharashtra. Now Shiv Sena currently is in power, that means Shiv Sena is running the government. Their party is ruling the state of Maharashtra. Then comes Sikkim Democratic Front from the state of Sikkim. Then Sikkim Krantikari Morcha, also from the state of Sikkim. Number 45 is Telangana Rashtra Samiti from Telangana. Then comes one more popular party, very popular party of the south, TDP, Telugu Desam Party from the state of Andhra and Telangana. Then comes United Democratic Party from Meghalaya, YSR Congress Party from Andhra, and last but not the least, Samajwadi Janata Party Rashtriya. This means SJP, that is also from the state of Uttar Pradesh. So with this I will wind up today's topic related to the definition of the state parties as well as the list of recognized state parties, which are almost 49 in number. So in the previous classes we discussed about the state parties, and we also discussed about the recognized list of state parties from serial number 1 to 16, and in today's class we proceeded from discussing from serial number 17 to 49. So please make a note and list of all these state parties with a complete details of its short form, the symbol, the formation year, the leader related to the party, and the state from where this party is formed. So with this I will wind up today's topic. Thank you.